Without wasting your valuable time, let's jump straight into the main video. I hope you've already subscribed to my channel. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe now. First of all, download the indicator from my Telegram channel. Then extract the zip file. For security purposes, the file is password protected, and you'll find the password somewhere in this video. Once the file is extracted, open it. Now launch MT4 and click on Open Data folder. Then copy and paste the indicator file exactly as shown in the video. After pasting the file, restart MT4. Next, go to Tools, Options, and enable the required settings. Then refresh the navigator panel. As you can see, the indicator has appeared. Now simply drag and drop it onto your chart. That's it! The indicator setup is now complete. Now let's take a look at what's new in this latest version, which new strategies have been added, and how accurately they perform in real market conditions.
First, reversal strategy. Second, reversal strategy 2. Third, reversal strategy 3. Fourth, reversal strategy 4.